In today's video, we have another mystery box. This is a $50 mystery box from Coulorpop. This is their fall mystery box. I believe for October they had two of them. They had a Halloween one, and I'm like, and then they had a fall one. So that's the one that I definitely got. Gosh, I had this for almost definitely over a week now. I had it. Let me see if it's still available. Hi, it's me, Editing Ann here. Really quickly, make sure you hype this video. Just go down to the comments, and if you don't see it, swipe, and you'll see a little hype button. Click that, and it'll say something like, hooray, or a leaderboard, or something to that nature. But the more that you hype my videos, the more YouTube will promote them. So I can really use the engagement, and it's free to do. Also, make sure you like my videos, share my videos if you enjoy them. But most importantly, make sure you hype them. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Okay, bye. Yes, it's still available. Let's say it's $49 and the value is $90. That's not bad. So let's open her up and see if it's worth the $49. All right, here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, like to tease a little bit. Now, I'm very shocked because the last few mystery boxes, I'm just shocked because I always get the Coulorpop mystery boxes, always, because I never buy anything specifically at Coulorpop. They come out with so much stuff, so I just get the mystery boxes whenever they have them, if I'm interested in them, because chances are I probably don't have it now, right? Because I can't remember the last time I specifically bought something at Coulorpop. It's been at least a couple years. I mean, besides the mystery boxes, But when I would get the mystery boxes, you get 3, 4 eyeshadow palettes and stuff. And the last one, it looked like it was all lipsticks, and I think we got one eyeshadow palette, but it was like different formulas. So I wasn't that upset, but still. And I mean, let's just say, I don't know what's in here. Okay, so the first thing we got is the Liquid Sun Glow Drops. And again, this is a fall box. And this is in the shade Bronze Glow, which I have been using, let me show you that I've been really liking. By Glow Recipe, this is the Watermelon Glow drops, and I like it because it gives me, as you can see, I'm wearing it today, gives me a little bronzy glow, but I wouldn't want to, I don't know. We'll see. Let me swatch it. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so it's one of these doohickeys. Alright, so it looks like that. Just about the same color. Let me show you what the this looks like. So we'll put this one over here. So this is the Glow Recipe. This is the Coulorpop. So the Coulorpop is a little bit lighter, which I'm glad. So we'll do this, and then I'll use this finger for this. So what is the difference? Coulorpop is more opaque than this one. So even though this was darker, do you see how it kind of like blends out? So it just gives you like a dewy finish. This one, it's just a little bit too dark. I don't know. I would have to give this to my daughter. So that's the difference. I really... Wrong cap in. I really like the Glow Recipe. All right, let me get a makeup wipe. Yeah, see, that's the only thing, and it's like for fall, I don't know. I mean, you could wear it as a bronzer, I guess, but for me, but I'm gonna see if Lexi wants this because this would match her complexion. I wish it was like a blush or something, or a highlighter, something like that. I don't know. Okay. The next thing is this. This is a Fresh Kiss Chocolate Milkshake Glossy Lip Balm. Ooh, okay. Because I like the 90s style for lips. Chocolate Milkshake is the shade name. Ooh, and I don't have this either. So it looks like this. So a Fresh Kiss. Ooh, this is nice. It can go right in my pocketbook. Let me dry my hand. Let's see. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. With a nice lip liner, like all around your lips, and then you put this right on top. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. This is something like I would purchase. Okay, so I'm happy to get this. All right, so we have that. The next thing is another lippy. It says, oh snap. I think I have this, but this is pretty. It's a lipstick. I thought it was a gloss, but it says lipstick. Oh, okay, so that was the packaging, that's why. And that's what it looks like. It's like a nude color. Let's put it right here. I mean, you can even go with the lip liner and then put the lipstick on and then go in with the gloss. That would be, look at this. Look at that. And I literally swatched it very lightly. Okay. All right, so we have that. The next thing is this. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. I don't wear them, so I'm not going to open it. And it's in the shade Black. Okay, which a lot of people wear. It's just a personal preference. Okay, ooh, okay, I'm excited about this. This is a chrome eyeshadow in the shade See You Later. All right, I don't think I've ever got a liquid eye. I didn't even know they made these. Okay, I'm really excited. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. All right, and it's one of those straight like that applicators. We'll put that right here. Oh, that's so pretty. So, see how it goes, the different, oh, that is so pretty. In person, it looks like dark, and then it goes to the olive. I don't know. You know I don't know how to use the phone to make it look two different colors. See? It's very pretty. Maybe if I blend it, maybe you'll see it a little. No, probably not. Do you see the brown a little bit in it? I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. Let me take these off. I'm always scared I'm going to get it on my face or what have you. Then we have another lipstick. This is the Ultra Matte Lip in, what does that say? Off the Record. And I do, this is like something I have on today. So I like the color a lot. This, see, this reminds me of fall right here. It's like a reddish brown, like a brick color. And it's a regular applicator. Let's put it right here. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like red and it has a little brown in it. It's really pretty. I like this. Okay, I'm happy. All right, we have 3 more items. The next thing, let me guess, is there another lip product? It says Power Pout in the shade At Last. Reminds me of the song At Last. I can't sing that. I cannot sing.
We know, we know, we know.
Whoa, this is pretty. Okay, I like this a lot. This is right up my alley, but it looks like it's gonna, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's not as dark as what I thought. Look at that. That's true to its color. It's like a raspberry color. But look how it looks. I thought, but that's how it swatches. That's why I always say don't judge it. Sometimes we see a color and we're like, and we don't even try it, you know. But okay, I'm actually shocked. I wish it was this color, but okay. We got that. All right, so then we have a lip pencil, finally, in the shade Another Round. I thought it said another pound. I was like, oh, God, I don't need any more pounds. Trust me, because I gained some weight, and it all goes in my stomach. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so that's I mean, let's see. It's pretty. The only thing is for me, because all the lipsticks that I got were a little bit dark, and so this, I would have preferred a darker, like, lip liner and then lighter lip shades, but I don't know. But I would use this for other stuff, you know what I mean? So, even like if I use this and then use that brown lip gloss that I got and stuff, you know what I mean? Okay. And last but not least, I got a palette. and this is the wine and only palette. Now, I have this one, I think, but it's the old packaging. Remember the outside is like a plain, and I actually like this better because you can see the shades, you know. Some people think it looks a little bit more cheaper, but for me, I do. Because instead of like looking at it, then opening up, you know exactly what the shades are if you want to use this or not. So I'm definitely going to keep this and probably throw out the older ones, because the old one is what, like 5-6 years old or something like that. So let me take this out of the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. On the back has the shade names. And then there we go. All right. What are my thoughts? Not good. Not great. It's okay. Is it worth the $49? If somebody said, would you give me $50 for this? No, I would not. And I used to love the mystery boxes. And will I continue to get them? Probably so. But they used to, I mean, do you guys remember? They used to be like 2, 3, 4 eyeshadow palettes, even if it was just the small, like 4 pan ones or what have you. You know, now it's like all lip stuff, or it really is stuff that they're just trying to get rid of, you know? I just don't know how I feel about this. All right, so let's recap everything that I got. So I got the eyeshadow palette, which I love this. This reminds me of fall, so I'm happy to get this. I'm happy to get this lipstick because I love it. This one, I mean, it's okay. I'm glad to get a lip liner. I love the fact, I wish we got like a couple, I don't know. I am glad we got the multi-chrome. I mean, the rest of the stuff is just okay. I do really like this glossy lip, you know, but it's, again, it's all lip products. I mean, the only thing that I'm like, ugh, no, is this, the bronze dewdrops. And I showed you the difference with what dewdrops really are supposed to look like. This is, I don't like it. I mean, and it's just not my complexion. Do you know what I mean? But I'll give that to Lexi so it won't go to waste. I just, from the last one I got and this one, I don't know. They just, let me know what you think. For me, I mean, it's a lot better. Remember when we used to get stickers and barrettes and all that kind of stuff? You know what I mean? But I don't want to be like negative, like a negative Nancy or a Debbie Downer.
Yeah, well, it's too late now. Yeah.
I mean, it probably is worth the $90. Like, I don't think I wasted my money. You know what I mean? But I just don't think I would ever pay for it. If I knew this was going to be in here, I would pass. You know, I mean, it's like every mystery box, how many lip products can you get? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Let me know if you got this box. Are you going to get it? Maybe some people enjoy stuff like this, you know. It's just personal preference. Let me know if you would pay $50 for this box. And that is everything. Make sure you like the video. That helps me out. Make sure you hype this video because that really helps me out, and it helps me out with engagement. And the more hypes I get, the more YouTube will promote my videos. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys.